Hey, what's up, guys? It is Alex Branning here. I'm talking about Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads book. And this is the final of our 15 video series. I have gone over 15 key points from Alex Hormozi's book. This is the first video you're watching. Welcome. We build on each other, but you can watch this one. You're going to get incredible value from it. But I would love for you to also subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and join me. Watch the other videos that we have. We talked to all 15 points. I'm just giving you a quick little slideshow preview of what we've discussed. Tons of value, tons of actionable items here. And I think it's going to be a great time use for you. All these videos are 5 minutes or less. And they're going to give you some action items to take. Let's talk about the rule of 100. Alex Hormozi goes through this multiple times in his book. You can hear him referencing it over and over again. But I want to close out with this thought. If you commit to doing one of these actions 100 times a day for 100 days, your business will inevitably grow. It's, there's no way around it not growing, right? So, for example, if you do warm reach outs, you do 100 a day, that massive volume is going to result in your business growing. You reach out to your clients 100 times a day. You talk to 100 people who know you a day, your business is going to grow. Now you say, Alex, I can't do that for 100 times 100. I don't know, 10,000 people. Okay, well, then do 100 a day until you run out. Maybe that's going to be 10 days. Maybe that's 30 days, but do it until you run out. Do 100 a day and then go on to the next thing. What's the next thing on this little list here? How about how about cold reach outs? All right, just picking up the phone and dialing folks. Now, obviously, there's different compliance things about this, but especially if you're selling B2B stuff, just pick up the phone and call, see what happens, right? How about inbound, creating 100 minutes of content? Hello, whether that's a video, whether that's creating social media posts, everyone should be doing this. 100 minutes is a lot, but here's the thing. Once you start getting in the habit of doing this, you're going to go, wow, this is actually a really, really good use of my time. And it's bringing in people who are not only looking for my product, but also educated on how I can serve and support them on the specific product. And then $100 of paid ads. Imagine if you're spending $100 of paid ads over 100 days, the new, fresh, exclusive leads that you're going to get. How is that going to impact your business? It's going to grow. It's inevitable that your business grows when you have that many new warm leads coming in. So do 100 of these a day and then add on. So once you get used to doing this for 100 days, then add on something else. So if you start with warm reach outs, great. Then add $100 of paid ads. Once that's going, and by the way, that is kind of a passive action. You set it up and just let it run. Then get into the habit of creating content. All right. Then get into the habit of doing cold reach outs. Because once you do all four of these consistently every single day, and by the way, it's not about you personally doing all of this. It can also be you bringing somebody on, like an agency or an employee, to do some of these things. But imagine if your business does all four of these every single day. You have 100 warm reach outs, checking in on clients, asking for referrals, etc. You have 100 cold reach outs. New people are hearing about you for the first time with a nice warm phone call. You have content that's being created on your blog, on your YouTube channel, on your socials, etc. 100 minutes a day. You have $100 of paid ads going out to cold traffic, bringing them into your business. How much is your business going to grow? Like, it's inevitable that it's going to happen, right? Now, if you are watching this for the first time, you're like, Alex, I don't know how to do some of this stuff. I need some help. Great. Agent CRM is here to help you. We can help you with your warm reach outs. We can help you launch ads. We can help you create content using our AI tools. And we can even help you prospect using some of the tools that we have inside of Agent CRM. So check that out. I am here to help you. If you've been watching this and you're like, Alex, can you help somehow? Is there any guidance you can give me? Yes, go ahead and connect with me here. Here's the various ways that you can connect with me. I am on Facebook, I'm on Threads, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram as at Alex Branning. And if you want Alex Hormozi's book, go to acquisition.com/books. Pick up his $100 billion leads. Highly recommend you read it. Also, he's got a great other book, his first one, $100 million offers. Excellent book. Highly recommend that one as well. Thank you again for watching. My name is Alex Branning. I would love to connect with you and serve and support you as you look to grow your business. And for those of you that have been with me from the start of this. And this is the last video. Thank you so much for coming back and watching all these videos. I've had an absolute blast. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branning here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branning, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 million leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.